Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at a Samsung Galaxy A15. For that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. So here's been the phone in previously, and here at the bottom of the box you will find the SIM ejection tool. So just release it. And otherwise, by the way, could use also the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. So just enter this hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. So at this SIM tray you're able to insert two SIM cards if you want, one on the top and optional a second one below. Or a micro SD card in case you want to extend the internal storage. So I will show you that later in that video. Okay, by the way, what is SIM 1 and SIM 2? It's always here written in the middle. Okay, let's start now with the first SIM card. You need to place it like this. You will hear a little click noise most of the time. Here it is. Okay, and this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner on the SIM card that belongs on the missing corner on the SIM tray. And the contacts, as you can see, they are on top. And in case, if you want to add a second SIM card, you can do that here on the other side of the SIM tray. Press it like this, press it well, that it's well inserted. And this is how it should look like then. So there's also here a missing corner on the SIM card, of course, belongs to the missing corner on the SIM tray. And as you can see, the contacts, they are on top as well. Okay, if you want to add a micro SD card to extend the internal storage, you need to decide between a second SIM card or a micro SD card. You can't have both. So let me show you now how to do with the micro SD card. So let's make space and insert now the micro SD card. Press well, that's well inserted on both sides. And this is how it should look like then if you want to have a micro SD card here on the other side of the SIM tray. And as you can see, the contacts, they are on top as well. Okay, and if you're having your construction, just put back the SIM tray into the SIM slot. So SIM 1 is to the display side down. Close it well. And that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and maybe the next time. Ciao.